Our recommendation is that you don't connect to a hotspot that does not have a password. Hackers use devices like this, called a pineapple, to mock a hotspot so that they can track your activity. Once you're connected to the pineapple, or you're connected to a hotspot that the hackers are using, they're able to detect all of your network and your data. Once a hacker collects your credentials, they can go to free software on the internet, such as CrackStation, and they can put your encrypted password in there for them to decrypt. The real problem is if they capture your company credentials, they can install ransomware or malware on the company network, which is obviously a huge issue. This message is brought to you by OrLAntech.